Hello everyone, my name is Michael Dupuy with Everflow Supplies, and we're here back at AHR 2026 in Las Vegas. Last year we talked to you about our Titan Press product. I want to show you a unique feature that not a lot of our competitors have. Once you set the fitting in motion and you lock it down, with our quad grip technology, you can actually still rotate that fitting and get it in the exact spot you need it. Once again, we are innovating new product constantly at Everflow Supplies. This year we're showcasing our PD55 Series shower drains. This is a PVC gray flange unit. Some of the unique features of this unit is we have a 2-inch socket, thank you very much, and it actually sits over a 3-inch pipe as well. Okay, we have stainless steel screws with brass inserts. We have a very unique collar that can not only fit in the reverse direction, but it has oversized weeping holes both in either direction. We have a very unique test plug that you can actually insert with a hand. You're not going to need any tools to do it. And one of the coolest features is our insert strainer can actually go right on top of it. So you can keep your test plug in with your strainer. But when you want to go from round to square, you can actually get an adapter kit on it. Now you square. And we offer these in multiple finishes. All right, one of the unique features of our shower strainer is the fact that when you take the cover off, you're going to notice a very unique edge right to it. The key to this is that when your tile work is being done and that grout goes right up to that edge, it's going to allow, when you remove your strainer cap, to be able to get in here and clean it out without damaging that grout.